Hey guys, it's the girl Isra, aka Is Always Glowing. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a PR unboxing. Now, I know it's been a while since I posted my last video. I've just had a lot going on, but I'm back and I've had quite a few parcels delivered, so I thought this is the perfect video to jump back onto YouTube with. So yeah, let's get straight into the PR unboxing. So I do have quite a few boxes. I can't carry them all, but these are the ones that we're going to get started with first. I really want to open this big one. I really want to see what's inside of it, so let's open that up. I've actually really missed posting on YouTube, so please let me know what content you'd like to see from me. Try and do this carefully because I don't want to break any of my nails. Let's see, what is it? Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my gosh, mate, all of these little white things are going all over my floor. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I can't even get out. It's from Gucci Beauty! I'm actually so grateful. This is your sign to post content. If you've been thinking about posting content, this is your sign, honestly. I think it's their new blushes. I did see they're releasing new blushes. Oh my goodness, look at that packaging. Oh my gosh, and it feels so heavy. Listen to that. I'm definitely keeping this box. This is so pretty. There's a little card. It's their new blushes. These are the new shades. There's the next generation of highlighting blush. Oh my gosh, you guys know that I love a glowy, dewy finish, so this blush is definitely up my street. So it says fresh and pearly Gucci Glow colors, ultra thin and silky soft texture, infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid. Oh, that's interesting. And the soothing black rose oil. Get the Gucci Glow. Look at these shades. They actually look so stunning. It says the new radiant silky blush luminous color. Cute. Oh my gosh, it actually says my name as well. Your friends at Gucci Beauty. I've got friends at Gucci Beauty. In the bag, cute. Obviously it's from Gucci, so of course it's gonna be cute. Ready? 3, 2, 1, reveal. Wow, my goodness, can you guys see the detail? It's got this little cute thing that shows you all the different shades. I can't lie, this shade is screaming my name. You guys know that I love a good pink blush, so I'm going to show you guys the packaging up close because it's absolutely unreal. Like, I actually can't believe how stunning this package is. Let's get that out. So this is the packaging. Very cute, very luxurious. Of course, it's Gucci Beauty, and this is the shade Arctic Rose, and it's in the shade 01. Let's open that up. Wow, that shade is actually stunning. Oh my gosh, I kind of wish I had makeup on so that like we could have tried this, but definitely keep an eye out for a video of me trying out these blushes. Let me know in the comments what shade you would like to see. I am going to show you guys all the shades. So this is shade 01. Then we have shade 02, which is fresh coral, peachy orangey shade. Shade warm peach. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty in the summer. That color is gorgeous. That is definitely a bright pink. That is definitely a bit of me. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this one. Is the shade soft plum, which is this shade right here. I think this is going to look gorgeous on deeper skin tones. Wow, that is actually a really pretty color. I think this will look really nice as like a bronzy shade, and I think this will look really pretty on darker skin tones. Lastly, we have this shade right here, which is bright ruby, which I'm assuming is going to be a bright red, obviously because of the color on the triangle as well. So this is the shade bright ruby. That is definitely a bright ruby color. That shade is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, I love. I'm honestly so grateful, and I can't believe that I get to try this. A big thank you to all of you who support me, because obviously without you guys this wouldn't be possible. So yeah, thank you so much. I'm actually really impressed with the shade range. Like, all the colors seem like they're very pigmented and very like dark. I feel like they'll work on all skin tones. Fair, light, medium, deep, dark. I feel like there's a shade in here for everyone. Especially excited to try this bronzy shade. I don't really lean towards bronzy blushes. I usually like a pinky blush. Like, you guys know I love pink blushes, so I'm really excited to try this one out. I will be doing a try on video, so keep an eye out on my channel for that video when it drops. We actually just have to take a minute to really appreciate the packaging. Like, this looks so pretty. Like, I'm definitely going to put this up in my room somewhere. So I just wanted to say a big thank you to everybody at Gucci Beauty for sending this over. Honestly, I'm so grateful and I can't wait to try these. They actually look so, I'm very excited to try, and you guys know I love a good blush, so definitely keep an eye out for this video. And yeah, just thank you so much for sending this over. Before I open this up, I just wanted to quickly talk about Morphe's rebrand last year. They have honestly been slaying. Like, I've been obsessed with their new blushes. I really do love their new cream lipsticks and their lip liners. I haven't been able to put the shade Trendsetter down. Their lip liner is like the perfect brown. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Morphe. It actually means so much that I'm on their PR list. Like, Morphe was one of the first brands I ever used when I started makeup about 10 years ago. So yeah, thank you so much, Morphe, and I just wanted to say your rebrand looks amazing and I can't wait to see what 2026 holds for the brand. But yeah, let's get straight into opening the box. Oh my gosh, wow. No, I can't believe how many brushes are in here. So first we have their Buttery Blends, but this is their travel brush set. So it's, I think it's this, but like the travel size version, so that's really cool. I'll show you guys what brushes are at the back. In this one you get 6 brushes, and this one you get 4 brushes. Oh look, it's so cute. It's got like a little menu. This is really cute. I can't get over this packaging. It looks unreal. This, which has their sponges and their powder puffs. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love blending out my concealer with a powder puff, so it's great to have more in the collection. Then we have this brush right here, which is the M109, and this literally looks like the perfect brush to paint your foundation on. You guys know that I love painting my foundation on. It just gives you a little bit more coverage, it gives you more of an even finish. Then we have the M104 brush. This one is a lot bigger and this one's a lot smaller, but they're both perfect for foundation. Then we have this brush right here, which is the M108 brush. So these are all the foundation brushes. Those are the 3 brushes next to each other. So this is 108 brush. Oh, that feels really soft. The quality feels really good, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm not surprised because I used to use Morphe brushes all the time. So I'm really excited to add these to my collection, and I'm actually really excited to try it. It's kind of making me want to do my makeup, but today is Sunday and I kind of just wanted to chill. Kind of had a little bit of a breakup, so I'm trying to just, you know, not put too much on my skin at the moment. This honestly feels so soft. I'm actually just going to quickly open up the travel set, and I love this little travel case. It's so cute. It kind of reminds me of like a pencil case. I was that child that was obsessed with stationery. Healing the inner child in me is like screaming out to her. Oh my gosh, look how cute the little travel brushes are. Actually so cute. Oh my gosh. So that is the Buttery Blends collection from Morphe. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I'm honestly so grateful to be on Morphe's PR list. Let me know if you guys would like to see me trying these out. The next package is this one right here, and I think this one actually does say where it's from. It says Kylie Gloss, so it's from KylieCosmetics. You can actually shop KylieCosmetics on Look Fantastic, and my code actually does work on there, so you can save 17% off with my code. I will be leaving that in the description below if you did want to use it. This is the package. Ooh, okay. So obviously I knew it was going to be like some glosses or like a gloss kit. It's so cute. Gloss and Tell, the Irresistible Valentine's Combo, Kylie Gloss Lip Kit, and the Hair and Body Mist. I actually haven't tried any of her hair or body mists before. I have tried her glossy lip kits actually, and I've actually tried her lip glaze, and I really like the formula of it. I've actually tried the shade Kylie. So you guys have a quick look of what's in there. We've got a couple of glossy lip kits. This lip liner shade looks so pretty, and this gloss shade looks really gorgeous. Let's look at the mist. So it is the Sweet Eclair Hair Body Mist. That actually smells really good. It almost smells like vanilla and like caramel. That smells really nice. I'm actually going to spray some in my hair. Thank you so much, Kylie. Next we have the 2 glossy lip kits. Now we have the shades Coconut 2.0 Dolce K. Shades look. So you get a lip liner and a lip glaze. This is the shade 703. Like I said, I have tried this formula before and it is really nice. Oh yeah, I really like that shade of lip liner. That is definitely a bit of me. You guys know that I love a good brown lip liner, so very excited to try this combo out. So that is the shade 703. This is the next shade, those are the 2 lip kits. That is what I got from KylieCosmetics. Thank you so much for sending these goodies over. I'm actually so excited to try these lip liners out. These shades look stunning, so yeah, I can't wait to do a full face and try these out. Next is this package from Byoma. You know me, you guys know I love their milky toner. It's one of my favorites. Ooh. Oh, it's actually a moisturizer, so it says dry January shouldn't include your skin, and they have sent over their best-selling moisturizers. So this is what came in the package. So first we have the moisturizing gel cream, which is lightweight, it's oil-free. Then we have the moisturizing rich cream. Then the next one that we have is their barrier repair treatment. Then lastly we have the blemish control moisturizer, which is an ultra lightweight moisturizer. It clears, calms and balances the skin. As you guys can see, I do have quite a few blemishes at the moment, so I will be trying this one out and letting you guys know what I think. Thank you so much to Byoma for sending these over. I am very excited to try these out. Any that I don't actually try, I will be putting in a giveaway. I have been doing random giveaways on my Instagram, so if you want to enter, you just gotta follow me and just stay engaged with my content, and I will reach out to you if you're lucky. The next package we have is this one over here, and as you guys can see, it is from Makeup Revolution. They are honestly one of my favorite brands ever, and I love receiving their PR packages. I'm honestly so grateful to be on their PR list. I think it's lip liners. So they've sent me their Blur Lip Shaper. So their Blur Lip Shaper comes in 8 shades, and they have kindly sent over all 8 shades. Let's have a look at those. Oh, these are really cute. I love the packaging. Thank you so much, Makeup Revolution, for sending over your new Blur Lip Shaper. Next, we have this envelope from Fazit. They have just recently launched in Sephora. They have sent me their glitter freckles stickers. These actually look really cute, like a creative makeup look. 1, 4. Thank you so much, Fazit, for sending me your makeup patches. These look really cool. I haven't actually tried anything like this before other than using like individual gems on my face, so I'm very excited to try this out. And lastly, we have this box over here. Oh, it's some hair brushes from Ziggy. This is their smooth brush. This creates a shiny and smooth finish. Then they also sent me their style brush, and this one is for general styling and definition. Thank you so much. So thank you so much, Flipside PR, for sending these over and organizing that. So yeah, that was all the PR that I received. I just wanted to say a big thank you to all the brands that send over these amazing packages, and a big thank you to all of you who support me, because honestly, without you, I wouldn't be in this position. So thank you so much for these opportunities and these amazing packages. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Now, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Bye.